introducing the Eyre Portable. This is the top of the range of the 5 models that we manufacture here in Melbourne, and the marketing statistics show that this one seems to be our very best seller because it's an all-in-one machine where it'll obviously do tile cleaning, flood work, upholstery, all the likes, all in the one. And I'll show you how it achieves that. The machine can be operated too. If you've got all the switches that are mounted up high here, you've got vacuum, both your vacuums, your waste, your heater and your pump. Now those switches can all operate at the one time while the machine's working, which is quite unique. There's a lot of them on the market that when the machine's running, the heater can't be run at the same time. So the machine inside, which I'll show in a minute, shuts off at 15 litres. With the heater going all the time, 40 degrees Celsius will quickly come up to 50 degrees Celsius. So it's going to give you good heat. And with 2 3-stage vacuums, it's going to give you good airflow. Now, when the machine's in the fully automatic position, this is a standard waste hose that's attached here. That can be as long as you like if you're in a commercial application. And once again, the auto fill connects to the front here, and that hose will go to your hot water hot fill tap. That too can be as long as you like. So in other words, you can be upstairs with a 15 metre hose, 7.5 metre hose together, and then you can have a control tap, change your fittings when you're upstairs without coming all the way back to the machine. So some of the features inside the machine, if we come over towards here, we'll show you. That's your primary filter. It catches all your rubbish. And that's a high performance Grundfos waste pump. This is our ball valve shut off that protects the vacuum motors. But this works on a float, so as it comes up it'll pump out, and that water pressure is that strong that it'll probably hit my hand at that level. So it's a very efficient waste pump, and it's not working all the time. Obviously it works just on a float. Now further into the machine, if we step across, we can have a look inside. Here you'll see how we've achieved 1500 psi by having a larger drive motor driving a high quality cat pump. That's a triple piston cat pump, which we put a solenoid on, so if you want to lie the machine on its back, it won't leak oil out. 3-stage vacuums, and as you look down into the vacuums, you'll see they're not mounted and held in by springs, because springs tend to bounce. As you go down the stairs, they'll bounce and jump off, and then the next minute your customer's ringing you he's lost vacuum. These are put on threaded rods, which we undo 3 nuts, slide the motor out, 2 positive wires and 1 earth. So if you're in a remote area, you can change these vac motors yourself quite easily, obviously with the power off. But if you have an electrician you can go to, excellent. But it's quite neat and very compact in there. Thank you.